Okay, welcome to tutorial 4 for the JA Titan simulation. Now we're going to look at the production tab. For production, I'm going to click on production at the top of my screen. And then again, same as in research and development, notice I've got my budget information available here. So for production, currently, I've got my expenses are really close to my budget. So I need to look at what is costing so much for my expenses. And what's probably going on is that I'm making too many phones. So here again, you can see the pricing and the revenue of the teams to my left, and then in the middle, I've got some reports here. Marginal cost $130 per phone. My net profit is currently at zero because we have not gone through and done a quarter's worth of sales just yet. For factory, again, I can choose to build a factory here, but that would come out of my budget. So if I wanted to build a factory, then I need to increase my budget because I don't have that extra $500,000 in my budget for this particular round. And then under product, I can now determine how many phones I would like to produce. And so here you can see that my phone cost is at $115 and my markup is $184 because my price is at $300. So if I decide I wanted to charge $379.79, I can make that adjustment here. It changes my markup automatically. Now over here on the left side, it shows what features do I want to increase on my phone. Well, we're in quarter one and we are already researching the antenna and the camera, but they are not done yet. So I don't have anything that I can add, and there's no new button on here to do that. But once I've gone through quarter one and my antenna is now upgraded because I set that to the maximum so it would be ready, I can click on antenna and then it would show this generation 1 antenna would be available, and I can click on it here and I can see the cost of what that would be. So don't forget to go back after you do your R&D on something and you have a new feature. You need to add that feature to your new phones or it's not going to go anywhere. So what I'm looking at here on this screen also is that I currently have 1,400 phones in inventory and I'm slated to produce 1,900 phones. That's a bit much. So I'm going to lower that to just about the 1,500 mark. And that's going to reduce some of my production costs. And also I've got my markup, which is going to help me make a little bit more money. So then factories, I'm going to go ahead and turn this down because I don't need so many phones. I can lower my cost there as well. This is capacity is 2,000. Versus capacity at 4,000. So if I go back here to product, if I add my inventory plus what I'm going to produce, that's my capacity. So in this case, I'm going to go with 4,000 so that I have enough space for my phones.